GX Builders! I am back as your host. I am Karen Agustin, and I'm also here with you in Bangkok, and it's going to be very exciting indeed, as this morning we are going to unfold and celebrate one momentous event here at the very heart of Bangkok, Thailand, right here at Queen Sirikit Convention Center. And this is where we will elevate financial literacy. Napaka-exciting mga kaibigan! Igniting the fire in the hearts of each and every campaigner who are present here. Nakaka-amaze kasi lahat kayo, nag-fly all the way from various parts of the globe to be here in Bangkok, Thailand. Kaya congratulations po sa inyong lahat. Nakaka-proud talaga. May realization ako of Ma'am Sirs. This is my 10th year with you, I think. Yeah. So, I'm so happy to celebrate my first event for 2024, for my 10th year with IMG here in Bangkok, Thailand. Kaya, napaka-exciting. For the past 22 years, however, IMG has built a remarkable community in the financial industry by storm. At hindi na natin patatagalin pa ang bugso ng inyong mga puso kasi I'm sure excited na kayong matuto ngayong araw na ito. Kaya simulan na natin mga kapamilya. Okay, eto na. Pag-usapang investments. There's no other guy in the industry that can talk about how to grow our money as well as he could. He is indeed the best. Agree ba kayo?
Yes!
GX Builders and IMG campaigners, let us give a big whoosh to our partner, friend, and IMG kapamilya, the chairman of Rambert Financials, Rex Mendoza!
Working, one dream, one system, one mission, one heart!
Good morning, IMG!
Good morning!
Good morning, Bangkok!
Good morning!
Wow, this is really electrifying. You know, I came in, you guys were doing the Mozone,